telah melayani kami mulai dari awal hingga akhir, dengan yang sebelumnya bersikap sangat formal. Di hari terakhir ini, sebelum kami pulang ke Stockholm, meminta foto bersama dengan kami. Masa tugas mereka sudah berakhir dan semua protokol dilepaskan. Barulah kelihatan keramah tamahan mereka yang sebelumnya sangat disiplin menjaga protokol. Malik Mahmud memperkenalkan Billy Nelson dan menceritakan riwayat ringkasnya ketika menyerah pada Panglima TNI di Aceh, Letnan Jeneral Bambang Darmono, dan dipenjarakan karena di Stockholm, kecuali Syahdia Paraban yang terus kembali ke Boston. Ditandatangani itu kepada masyarakat Aceh di Amerika Serikat dan kepada NGO, senator-senator, anggota Kongres Amerika yang
dari Sweden di sini. Dari Sweden. Yang bahasa svenska. Kayaknya bahasa Finland. Yang gambar urang di Aceh, Hotel Kalan dengan tengkek nyorong di Kalan di Masjid Raya Banda Aceh. Jadi orang senang sama menunggu pejabat Masjid Raya.
Lanjutlah dapat dari US State Department yang dipujo tentang yang adanya ulang.
Assalamualaikum. Finland. Bangsa dunia. Orang kapal seluruh dunia mana lebih sentuh 50 bangsa dunia. Ya, olehnya Presiden Antasari, olehnya Menteri Luar Finland, Menteri Luar awaknya kedua, olehnya awak Indonesia, awaknya dua minister, olehnya salam wakil EU, European Union, yang duta Inggris, jadinya resmi tak ikut. Hanya reception madu hanya wakil-wakil daripada European Union tina nyalai awak kementerian daripada negara Finland nyalai nyawatnya untuk dekenya dan ijo interview gambar awak wartawan atau dunianya dengan dapat lunch together, state lunch, jamuan yang ketat, balance untuk governor Rusia. Jadinya, official Finland government function building. Jadinya tempatnya nyipi ke gedanya. Ya, yang sabar-sabar kehormatan kepada Aceh. Ya, olehnya duta Malaysia di Naijasi, duta Malaysia. Yang soal lainnya ingatnya awaknya buat rame kan. I think by tomorrow they will go watch. Yes, and then also very soon Irwandi will go there, and then also the wife of Billy's wife, Sadia, she will be going to Aceh and Irwandi. This is our advance party work together with the EU monitoring team. And then also Tengku Muhammad, our Tengku Muhammad, and all his our friends with him, I think about 5 of them.
Six,
Six,
yeah.
Will be released on the 22nd. And then for that matter, we have already assigned 23 persons to the monitoring team to go back immediately to Aceh and join Irwandi with the EU team on the field. And then in the meantime, the Muhammad and Republic, another one, we will try to bring it here very soon. And then all the other prisoners of Acehnese, prisoners in Java or in Aceh will be released. So we see there are a lot of things we have to do in the future in Aceh, but perhaps very soon we have to go back to Aceh. Very soon. Yeah? The best, huh?
Yeah, that's the best we have reached so far for this time. Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready to go back?
Yes.
You bring the flag.
We will make sure that you go in style. You know, our flag will be raised in Aceh. Officially, they will raise in Aceh. So there are so many other things.
Yeah, 2009. 2009 we'll have our own parliament as part of the self-government.
Yes, yes.
Not known.
Not now.
This will be step-by-step exercise. You know. Yeah. And then these people, David and many others, our friends from outside, we will bring to Aceh as well. And we will assign all jobs for them. And we will give citizenship for them. I